Deerlick Creek has 46 campsites with water and electric hookups, 6 of which are designated tent only. There is also one group picnic shelter that can be reserved for day use. Families with children have the convenience of showers, a multi-use court and swimming beach. Holt Lake was created by the damming of the Black Warrior River. The campground is situated amidst a mixed pine and hardwood forest, which displays colorful foliage along the riverbanks each fall. Deer, squirrel, wild turkey, migratory birds and bluebirds all live in the Holt Lake area. The Black Warrior-Tombigbee Waterway consists of 6 lakes with a total length of 457 miles and 39,800 surface acres of water. Temperatures range from the 80s to 90s from April through September, and annual rainfall averages about 60 inches. Campers can explore the lakeshore using the campground's hiking trails as well as a paved bicycle trail. The waterway is popular for fishing for bass, crappie, brim, catfish and more. It has recreation sites. Standard electric. Tent-only electric. Group shelter electric. Overnight. Day use area. Hiking. Fishing. Camping. Biking. Boating. Swimming. Basketball courts. Beach access. Boat ramp. Dump station. Paved roads. Picnic shelters. Picnic tables. Showers. Water hookup. Grills and fire rings. Electricity hookups. Sewer hookups. And full hookups.